Okay, here are my two weavers. I'm going to take the weaver that's on the inside closest to the center of the circle, twist, go over top of the other weaver. See, I'm over top of it. Go under the spoke, twist again, and come up. So there it's up. I went twisted, over top of the weaver, under the spoke, twist again, bring it forward. Right? And then very gently tug on them to kind of tighten everything up. Make sure all your spokes are straight. And then pick up the one on the inside closest to the center of the circle. Twist, go over the other weaver, go under the spoke, twist again, and come up. Give it a little gentle tug, give the other one a little gentle tug, give your spoke a little very gentle tug. You definitely don't want to tug your spokes too hard because you don't want to break them. If you break a weaver, it can be fixed. If you break a spoke, it's a lot more work. I'll show you how to do that in another video. Okay, again, the one closest to the center, twist, go over the other weaver, twist, and come up. And then you see how I'm way out? You don't want to do that. That's going to be very loose. So that's what we're doing. We want to tug on these. If I tug on this, it tightens it all the way back to here. But I just want to tug very gently because I don't want to break anything. And then I'm going to tug on the one that I just did, just very gently. And then again, the inside one, twist, over the weaver, under the spoke, twist, come up. Tug everything nice and tight.